Making money is one thing, but keeping and growing it? That's a whole different skill set. Millionaires don't just focus on earning, they focus on managing their money in a way that allows it to grow and sustain their wealth. Today, I'm going to share some millionaire money management tips that will help you not only keep what you earn, but also multiply it over time. First, let's start with the concept of paying yourself first. Millionaires are disciplined when it comes to saving and investing. Before they spend money on anything else, they set aside a portion of their income for savings and investments. This habit ensures that they are consistently building their wealth, regardless of how much they're earning. You can do the same by automating a portion of your income to go directly into savings or investment accounts before you spend on anything else. This simple habit can have a huge impact on your long-term financial success. Next, millionaires understand the importance of living below their means. Even as their income increases, they don't inflate their lifestyle to match it. This is a key difference between people who build wealth and those who just get by. Instead of spending more as they earn more, millionaires often keep their expenses the same and invest the difference. The goal is to keep your living expenses manageable so that you can maximize the amount you're saving and investing. Let's talk about diversifying your investments. Millionaires don't put all their eggs in one basket. They spread their investments across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, real estate, and businesses, to minimize risk. This way, if one investment underperforms, their overall portfolio remains stable. You can follow this strategy by diversifying your own investments to reduce risk and protect your wealth from market fluctuations. If you're new to investing, consider starting with index funds or ETFs, which provide broad market exposure with less risk than individual stocks. Another important money management tip is managing debt wisely. Millionaires avoid high-interest consumer debt like credit cards or personal loans. Instead, they focus on using debt strategically to grow their wealth, such as taking out a mortgage for rental properties or a business loan to scale a profitable venture. If you have high-interest debt, make it a priority to pay it off as quickly as possible. Then focus on using debt in ways that generate income and build wealth. Tracking and budgeting are also key habits of millionaires. They know exactly where their money is going, and they use this information to make informed decisions about their finances. By tracking their spending, they can identify areas where they might be overspending and make adjustments. Create a budget that helps you prioritize saving and investing while keeping your expenses in check. There are plenty of apps and tools that can help you track your spending and make budgeting easier. Another secret to millionaire money management is having multiple streams of income. Millionaires don't rely on just one source of income. In addition to their main business or job, they often have side businesses, investments, or other income-generating ventures. Having multiple streams of income gives you more financial security and accelerates your wealth-building efforts. Start thinking about ways you can diversify your income, whether it's through real estate, stock market investments, or starting a side business. Lastly, millionaires prioritize continuous financial education. The more they learn about money, investing, and the economy, the better decisions they can make. They read books, attend seminars, and seek advice from financial experts to stay informed and ahead of the curve. Make it a habit to invest in your financial education. The more you know, the better you'll be at managing your wealth and making it grow. To recap, the key millionaire money management tips are paying yourself first, living below your means, diversifying your investments, managing debt wisely, tracking your spending and budgeting, creating multiple streams of income, and committing to continuous financial education. By following these principles, you can build and grow your wealth like a millionaire. What's the first money management habit you're going to adopt? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more wealth-building tips and financial strategies.